Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can parse JSON in Godot game engine version 4. So I'm using version 4.5. So let's get started. So first I'll show you, I have just created a simple Godot game project, okay, and here inside this I have created a books.json file. Now this is how the file looks like. So here you can see we have some ID, title, author, year, published, so it is an array as well. So yeah, that's what this is. Now to read this file I have just created one node 2D and I have attached one script to this. So first we get the path of the file, so that's what I have done over here. Then here we are calling this load JSON from file, so this is a method I have created. So here we pass the file path, we get the data out of it, then we just do parse data.get, and this is the so here if you see, this is the name of the array, right, books. So that's what I'm passing over here. If the books array.size, then I'm just printing out the count, and if it is not equal to empty, then I'm just getting the first element. But if you want, you can apply a for loop as well. So I just wanted to show you how you can fetch an item. So here you can see I'm just getting the first item, right, first book, and if I want to get the title of or title out of it, this is the title property, then I can just do first book dot get title. In case if it is not there, I am just passing not applicable. Alright, and this is the method to load JSON from a file. So you need to use this file access, which is a new thing in Godot 4. So file access dot file exist. If the file exists, then we just do file access dot open that particular file, and if it is not equal to null, then we just do file dot get as text. Okay, so here is the context. So we just do JSON dot parse string, passing in the content over here. Okay, and here we just make sure it is dictionary. If it is dictionary, then we return the result, else we just return an empty dictionary. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If I just quickly run this as well, here you can see the first book title is Great Gatsby. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.